Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Exam Point Notes. Today we are going to cover part 2 of class 12th biology chapter 6 molecular basis of inheritance. NEET PYQs last 33 years MCQs. Let's start. So our first question is, the following ratio is generally constant at given species. Options are A T plus C by G plus A, B G plus C by A plus T, C A plus C by T plus G, D A plus G by C plus T. The correct option is option number B, G plus C by A plus T. Here G means guanine, C means cytosine, A means adenine and T means thiosin. Next question. Question number 2. The telomeres of eukaryotic chromosomes consist of short sequence of A. cytosine-rich repeats, B. adenine-rich repeats, C. guanine-rich repeats, D. thymine-rich repeats. The correct option is option number C, which is guanine-rich repeats. Next question, question number 3. In a DNA percentage of thymine is 20%, then what is the percentage of guanine? Options are A 20%, B 40%, C 30%, D 60%. The correct option is option number C, which is 30%. Next question, question number 4. Length of one loop of B DNA is A 3.4 nm, B 0.34 nm, C 20 nm, D 10 nm. The correct option is option number A, which is 3.4 nm. Next question, question number 5. Number of base pair in human chromosomes are A 3 into 10 to the power 9, B 3 into 10 to the power 7, C 6 into 10 to the power 8, D 6 into 10 to the power 7. The correct option is option number A, which is 3 into 10 to the power 9. Next question, question number 6. Gene composed of A amino acids, B polynucleotide, C fatty acid, D nitrogen base. The correct option is option number B, which is polynucleotide. Next question, question number 7. Molecular weight of DNA in yeast is A 2.56 into 10 to the power 9, B 0.2 into 10 to the power 9, C 7 into 10 to the power 7, D 6 into 10 to the power 6. The correct option is option number A, which is 2.56 into 10 to the power 9. Next question, question number 8. Genetic material of prokaryotic cell is A non-histonic double-stranded DNA, B histonic double-stranded DNA, C histone and DNA both are present, D histone without DNA. The correct option is option number A, which is non-histonic double-stranded DNA. Next question, question number 9. Genes are packed into a bacterial chromosome by A acidic protein, B actin, C histones, D basic protein. The correct option is option number D, which is basic protein. Next question, question number 10. Centromere is a part of A chromosome, B endoplasmic reticulum, C ribosome, D mitochondria. The correct option is option number A, which is chromosome. Next question, question number 11. Nucleosome core is made of A H1, H2O, H2B and H3, B H1, H2A, H2B and H4, C H1, H2A, H2B, H3 and H4, D H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. The correct option is option number D, which is H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. Next question, question number 12. The transforming principle of pneumococcus as found by Avery, Mackland and MC Carty was A mRNA, B DNA, C protein, D polysaccharide. The correct option is option number B, which is DNA. Sorry. Next question, question number 13. A DNA with unequal nitrogen base would most probably be A single stranded, B double stranded, C triple stranded, D four stranded. The correct option is option number A, which is single stranded. Next question, question number 14. Nucleotide arrangement in DNA can be seen by A X-ray crystallography, B electron microscope, C ultracentrifuge, D light microscope. The correct option is option number A, which is X-ray crystallography. Next question, question number 15. A segment of DNA has 120 adenine and 120 cytosine bases. The total number of nucleotides present in segments is A 120, B 240, C 60, D 480. The correct option is option number D, which is 480. Next question, question number 16. An octamer of 4 histone complex with DNA forms A endosome, B nucleosome, C mesosome, D centrosome. The correct option is option number B, which is nucleosome. Next question, question number 17. Which is not consistent with double helical structure of DNA? A double bond T, C double bond G, B density of DNA decreases on heating, C A plus T by C plus G is not constant, D both A and B. The correct option is option number C, which is A plus T by C plus G by G is not constant. Next question, question number 18. Diploid chromosome number is in human is A 46, B 44, C 48, D 42. The correct option is option number A, which is 46. Next question, question number 19. In double helix of DNA, the two DNA strands are A coiled around a common axis, B coiled around each other, C coiled differently, D coiled over protein sheet. The correct option is option number D, which is coiled over protein sheet. Next question, this is the last question of this video. So as usual, you have to answer this in the question in the comment section. Let's see the question. 10 E. coli with N15 dsDNA are incubated in medium containing N14 nucleotide. After 60 minutes, how many E. coli cells will have DNA totally free from N15? Let's see the options. Options are A 80 cells, B 20 cells, C 40 cells, D 60 cells. So if you know the answer, do comment in the comment section. And next part of this chapter will be uploaded soon on our channel. Previous chapters PYQs and handwritten notes are uploaded on our channel, so visit it and do like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you very much.